Hey everyone, welcome to Wealth Nectar, where we turn money knowledge into financial freedom. If you ever wondered how people make money while they sleep, or how to escape living paycheck to paycheck, you are in the right place. Because here we learn how to make money work for you, not the other way around. Let me ask you something. If you stop working today, how long could you keep living the same lifestyle? Most people realize their income stops the second they do. But wealthy people, their money keeps moving through investments, businesses, and assets that generate income 24/7. In this channel, I'm going to show you exact steps to build those systems. No fluff, no fake. Get rich quick nonsense. Just real proven ways to grow your income and your mindset. Here's what you can expect from Wealth Nectar each week, each day. Investing made simple. We'll talk about stocks, ETFs, and dividends, passive income streams like digital products, side hustles, etc. Money mindsets, smart financial habits. We will look at real numbers, real examples, and strategies you can apply today, tomorrow, anytime. So, if you're ready to start building your financial freedom one drop at a time, hit subscribe, tap the bell button, and join Wealth Nectar community. Together, we'll grow smarter, invest better, and live richer, not just in money, but in time, freedom, and purpose.